Hello future medics, welcome to my channel. This is Bisal Rasa, a medical student at Georgian National University, SU. Georgia have a lot of university and students have a pretty confusion which university to choose in the Georgia. If you are planning to study in the Georgia and have confusion which university to choose, you are in the right video. In this video, I will help you figure out which university to choose according to your goals and your interest. Hopefully by the end of this video, you can make a decision more easily. At first, let's begin with the Georgian National University, SU. If you are looking for the university that feels elite with ultra-modern infrastructure, then SU, Georgian National University is the top choice. I am currently pursuing my MBBS from SU and I had a great experience with the world-class infrastructure, with smart and interactive classrooms and friendly teachers. You can see some of the vlogs on the SU University on the right of the link given above. Now we have SU's Avicenna Batumi Medical University. If you are looking for the university that you can study and earn a stipend side by side, then SU's new university Avicenna Campus is the ideal choice. From your third year onward, you get a chance to work on your own hospitals and you can support your studies financially, and also you get a real world experience of the medical field. Located in the beautiful Black Sea city of the Batumi, it's a fantastic choice for the students pursuing the MBBS course as well as the healthcare professions. Next, we have East West Medical University. For students who are looking for the quality education in the tight budget, East West University is the perfect choice. It has their own hospital and is most affordable university in the Georgia. They focus on quality medical education while welcoming the international medical students with the open arms. And finally, we have TSMU, Tbilisi State Medical University. And finally, if you are looking for the traditional government university, then TSMU, Tbilisi State Medical University is a great choice. This is one of the most oldest and the most respected university in the Georgia. With partnerships around the globe, cutting-edge research and 1,000 graduates, it's a true icon in the medical field. It has a great medical standards and offers a solid great medical education. However, the tuition fees of the TSMU is a bit higher compared to others. So guys, which university suits you best? Whether it's SU Innovations, TSMU Legacy or Batumi Coastal Calm, Georgia have many options for you. Let me know in the comment if you want to deep dive into any of the campus vlog next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the studying content in the Georgia and beyond. Study smart, dream big, and I will see you in the next one.